Hello everybody. So today I want to go over a little DIY thing that I do, that something you might be interested in. So who knows what this is? Anybody know what that is? Show it to you here. Lid pops open. This is what chewing gum comes in nowadays, right? Nice little plastic case. It's not, yeah. So anyway, as preppers, we're pretty good at utilizing a lot of different things that happen to come our way. And what I use these for, now you could use them for a lot of things, but what I use it for is I use it for a little personal boo-boo kit that I keep on myself. So if you can see here is, kind of show it to you a little bit, right? Is my little boo-boo kit, and these fit really good like in your back pocket, or in the summertime I wear a lot of cargo shorts and little side pockets. They fit right down in there. And now this is not a trauma kit, okay? This is not something you're going to utilize for any kind of major medical thing, okay? But I keep some burn cream, the little bee sting things that you keep in there. I used to have a pair of tweezers in here, but I think I used them for something else. I got to put them back in there. But just bandage, different size bandages, a little bit of some gauze patches, things like that. And you can carry this on yourself wherever you go. Now, of course, I have a trauma kit, right? But luckily, I've never had to use it. And hopefully that keeps up because, if I have to use it, that means something bad happened to somebody. But this little thing, I've used countless times. Mostly for the grandkids. They play sports in the summertime. We go out, watch the games and that. They get, cuts and bruises and scrapes and things. Or one of the kids, the brothers or sisters or one of the kids will be out playing in the field and get stung by a bee or something. And, I'll go over and tell the mom, hey, I got some bee sting stuff to take care of that, if you'd like. So I have used this a lot, right? And so of course, if you use it, you gotta replenish it. And most of what's in here is probably stuff that you already have laying around in your house, that you got in your medicine cabinet or your, whatever. So just bandages and burn cream, and there's some ibuprofen in here, things like that. Actually, don't even know what else I got in here. What's this? Oh, some antacid. Yeah, I got some antacid in there. And just whatever you might need, right? But it's just a nice little, compact little boo-boo kit that you can carry on yourself. This is a big gauze patch back there. That you can stick in your pocket and utilize whenever you need it. And it's cheap, easy. Like I said, just if you know anybody that, even if you don't chew gum, if you know somebody that does, they come in these nice little plastic, like back pocket size cases nowadays. And I've got more of these than I need, but I am going to make a couple more boo-boo kits, like for the grandkids and the older kids that have the grandkids, so they can maybe stick it in their purse or the daughters or whatever. But these come in real handy. And like I said, it's just filled with stuff you probably already got in your house, right? And of course, you can personalize this whatever you think you need. Maybe if you got somebody that is allergic to bug bites and you need some antihistamine, things like that in here, you can throw that in there. Obviously, it's not going to hold like an EpiPen, but if they got a mild allergy, you want to get something in there to help it with that. But yeah, they're real nice, real easy to put together. You just kind of sort it in there, make sure Tetris it in there, make sure it all fits real good. Cheap, easy. Something that comes in very handy, especially in the summertime, right? When you're out, and you're out playing with the grandkids and the kids and whatever. They're real good at getting, okay, my grandkids aren't exactly coordinated, so they manage to bang themselves up, every now and then, cuts, scrapes, things like that. I also have some triple antibiotic cream in there. Just things like that, right? But this comes in real handy. It's cheap, easy. You can do it yourself in no time. Find somebody to chew some gum and say, hey man, save me that package when you're done with it. And that's it. That's all it takes, man. But like I said, I've used this thing countless times. I mean, countless times. Comes in real handy. Something you can do yourself. I hope this helped out, guys. Hope this is something you went, hey, that's cool. If it did, share it out with somebody who might also enjoy it and get some use out of it. And thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, everybody.